Hi guys, I'm going to make a few updates here. Yes, on my cool little ball. This is not the update though. I think I'm going to be an Animal Jam YouTuber. I think I'll be perfect for the job. Well, I got a new animal. So, you know how I have my bunny? My bunny has the pink hamster, or the pink little pet. Let me adjust the computer I'm working with. Shoot, nope. Shoot. Let me. Okay. So, there's that guy. He has a YouTube account. His name in that YouTube account is Raccoon Master with 2 C's, I guess. He is pretty cool. He has a lot of otters, and he even made this funny little video where he was gifting random otters, and it's pretty cool, I gotta say. Okay, let me show you my new animal. So, see, this one right here has that pink hamster. Look, he's saying otter, otter, otter. That one right there. And then, okay, let me change my animal. And then this one, my koala, has a blue hamster right there. And then, let me do my movement. This is kind of why I bought the koala. I just thought that little dance looked adorable. Okay, I'll stop. He's dancing. Yeah. Oons. Woo! My ball is awesome. I'm gonna tell him I'm making a video. I'm making a video now. Okay. Woo. See, he's smiling about that. I told him I'm making a video now, and he's smiling about that. Smile! Oh my gosh, he is hilarious. Well, yeah. I'm gonna play for about 2 more minutes, so yeah. What? I'm fail. What? I didn't know what he said. Whatever that said. No. I'm going to my den. There. Okay. Right here are some Christmas presents. I traded those with something. I think I traded them for this alligator. Wait, no. How could I trade that for that? Because I already have that. But I have that alligator in my beautiful garden and that little flower. These 2 horses, my blue wallpaper, some balloons, lot of animals, and I have an otter, which I got from that raccoon guy I was talking about. His name is not actually Raccoon. Yeah, and let me show you my trade list for now. Yeah, there's stuff on it this time. Some people think I'm a lame YouTuber. Thanks a lot. So, we have these chains somehow I got. And then 3 cute little plushies. Yeah. And then there's my koala. Yeah. That otter is adorable. That one right there. And then my little couch area. I changed it up a bit. Speaking of change up a bit, I have a few things I want to add. I have this little koala, and I'm going to put him right there. And this little bunny, which I'm going to turn and put, here, I guess.